Chris here at Sandrunner RC, and today I'm talking a little bit about my RC8T4E and what I've done to bring it up to running condition and how I broke it the first couple of days. So, too much fun. The insides has got a Castle and a 15 series motor, 2200 kV. Also, I put in a Spectrum radio, Rugged 6, DX6. And here's the part I broke, the rear axle hub. Couple days and bam, broke it. It wasn't really that hard of a hit either. So I looked around on the web, and of course I found other people are breaking them too, so hopefully Associated's going to do something a little bit about it, but we'll see. And this is the car that we have here, and it's the Castle motor. That's my body that buys an S15 body. That's the steering servo, Protec, got a little Protec fan in it, Redline batteries. They work really well. They work great. And here's my little toolbox I got for the racetrack by Milwaukee. It's a really nice little one. That's my little rally car that I also take out there. In Bullhead City, they have a real nice RC track, and they just put a little oval track in that's pretty nice, and they started racing out there on concrete. So yeah, if you're ever out in Bullhead City in Arizona, you got yourself a track to go to, and all the guys out there are really friendly, so you'll enjoy it. But anyway, this is the Team Associated Truggy. It seems to be a pretty solid truck, turns well, steers well, runs well. The rear axle shaft hub though is pretty weak. Maybe they're going to come up with something new. We'll see what happens there. You never know. They always updating the cars. Good morning. Welcome to Sandrunner RC. And today, the parts are here. So, we're going to install a new rear hub in the RC8T4E and see how well it holds up. So, here it is. The new parts. You know, too much fun. Got a package of 2, but I picked up another one just in case, so now I got 4. So we'll see how long they last. So I'm gonna get started here and open it up and see if we can put it back together. Looks like it comes with all the parts you need in one package, so it's too bad the first one broke, but here, we're on our second one. See how it goes. Let me clean up a little bit of this flashing on here. Put one of the pills in it. Not the middle one, but the one that's facing up, like the original one. Place that in there, and then we're gonna add in our bearings. One on the inside, one on the outside. Yep. Those pressed in real good. And hopefully this one lasts a little longer than the last one. Cause man, took a little while to get the parts in, about almost a week and a half. Got it from A Main. They're a real good company. They got a lot of parts. Out here in the desert, you know, you gotta wait for stuff to come in. Not too many hobby stores carry the kit car parts. They carry a lot of Traxxas stuff. But this is a kit car, so we're going to do the best we can to make it work. Grab the tools out of the toolbox. Off of here. There's a little grub screw down inside of these hubs that you tighten up on the cross pin. That helps if you got a good wrench to hold it. That way you can kind of torque it down a little bit. Not crazy, but just a little tight. And that really helps out. It helps install this. Hope you're all having a good day. Just want to let you know, if you're out running your RC car, it's a good idea to have some nuts and bolts and things like that, just in case you lose one. And of course today I lost one of the little screws that holds the arm on in the back. So it does happen. So it's a good idea to have one of those in advance when you come out to the track, because you know, if you lose some parts, it's sure a lot nicer if you got a couple little screws and things to put back together, and just to make your day go a little easier. And trust me, it will happen. It's amazing how much vibration these little cars take. They come apart, little screws come out, things get loose, parts break off. It's part of it, part of the RC game. But if you buy one of the kit cars, they don't come with any extra screws and things like that. So you definitely want to reach out and pick one up from like A-Main or your local hobby shop or whoever just happens to have one for you. So just to let you know, one of the things for your box, you know, bring out extra screws, Loctite, blue, not red, you know, just to help keep your car together. All right, you have a great one. Bye-bye.